like no one cares about anything anymore, and the world is just. Okay. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
So I'm new to living in LA, and I live in that van, and I'm traveling around.
Right.
And I've never actually like got to interact with. Are you? Yeah, police, and
Yeah.
you're giving tickets out.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
What is? How much do you deal with like people living in their vehicles?
Not too much, actually. No.
Really?
No.
Because to me, I feel like, I've never had a bad interaction with, I've never had any, interaction with the cop. I've gotten kicked out of the parking lot once, Planet Fitness, just because
Okay.
they had a security guard. And
okay. Yeah.
so I was just wondering, like, is it getting more common? Because, like, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, of like all sorts of people who do this.
Oh, okay.
And to me, it seems like it's getting really common, but it's not an issue.
Well, not as far as me. I come through when we close the lot.
Yeah.
And I have people, like you
Yeah,
or whoever's in their car.
Yeah.
And I tell them the lot's closing and I need you
Yeah.
to leave because we do lock it up. But then once it's locked up, it's
Then what happens?
Then we either stay overnight or they
Yeah.
call us to open
Oh,
it.
and you get a ticket.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Oh man,
Yeah,
you're just locked
right,
in there.
right, yeah, exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, I don't deal with it that much, to tell you the truth.
So this one, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, this lot here closes
Okay.
at 8. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the most. I mean, I've never gotten a ticket even.
Okay. Well, that's good.
But I easily could have slept here tonight, and I would have got my first ticket.
Well, yeah, I was checking in there, and at first I didn't see or hear anybody, but then I saw some movement and a red light or something come on. I said, "Hey, you in the van, I need you to move." I'm closing up the lot now. So,
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Well, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a great night.
You too. So what
Turn left onto 40th Street, then turn right onto Highland Avenue.
So what I just did was force myself to have a conversation with this police officer. Here he is right here. He's letting me go. Not back up. Oh my gosh, do not back up. Oh my God, I had to go over those things that if you go the opposite way, like severely damage your tires. Oh my God. My microwave, I think, just bounced. I'm on the steepest road.
At the light, turn right onto Highland Avenue, then turn left onto Rosecrans Avenue.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is the steepest road I've ever been on. Holy. So as I was saying, I forced myself to have a conversation with this police officer. I didn't know anything about him.
At the next light, turn left.
I'll never see him again. He could have given me a ticket. I just went and talked to him and said I live in here, I travel around, and I was just literally on the spot.
At the light, turn left onto Rosecrans Avenue.
I was just trying to think of something, anything to say. I didn't have, I didn't plan anything. And so I said what I said, and what did I say?
In 1.2 miles, turn right onto North Pacific Coast Highway South.